it's all magic. If you came here for a magic show today, let me show you my first demonstration. I brought with me my magical cannon. And over here, I have a canister of bottled dragon's breath. And when I spray it into my magical cannon, it will release the ghost of the fire-breathing dragon. Are you ready? Plug your ears. In 3, 2, 1. Behold! The fire-breathing being, the spirit of the 4 winds, locked inside this bottle. And when I get it close to my magic wand, I will release the fury of the 4 winds in 3, 2, 1. Behold! It was magic! I don't know what came over me. It was as though I was possessed by that hat. Why, I know what this was. This wasn't magic. This was simply filled with propanol. And when I rolled it around, I increased its surface area. It starts to vaporize. This is an Udin coil. It sends a spark between the spark cap. It ignites all those vapors, and they decompose into water and carbon dioxide. That's what really happened. I don't need my magical waters of Shangri-La. We hike all the way up to the Himalaya Mountains to get this. And over here, I have in this satchel powdered mummy. And when I add the powdered mummy to the sacred waters of Shangri-La, it will release the ghost of the mummy. Behold, I bring you his magical power. He speaks to us from beyond the grave.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, but what do you call that?
Ghost of the mummy.
The ghost of the mummy. I think I remember seeing something like that on a television show called I Dream of Jeannie. I Dream of Jeannie. In fact, if that's magic, I'm going to try it.
Magic.
In fact, I think I'll try it. Here is my bottle. And in my bottle, I have this little, well, I'll tell you what, let me get a little help here. Yeah.
I don't know what keeps coming over me. Every time I put on my hat, something happens.
Yeah.
This is a decomposition reaction. This may look like water, but it's really hydrogen peroxide. And that's not really powdered mummy. That's manganese dioxide that serves as a catalyst that decomposes hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen. Now this vapor is mostly steam because the reaction is exothermic. It's very hot. That's why we're wearing gloves. So out of the catalyst.
And so exothermic as opposed to endothermic, it gives off heat and we had the hat. We had the staff.
I found my magical dentist, my spell book.
Your spell book.
And here, I see the shroud of King Tut. Perhaps they will release the curse of the mummy. In 3, 2, 1. Oh!
So you're telling me that this spell book, I don't believe in spell.
It's my chemistry book. I've been looking all day for this.
It's chemistry book.
What's in here?
Yeah, no spells, but good science.
That was nitrocellulose. Cotton soaked in a vat of sulfuric and nitric acid nitrates the cellulose, becoming so unstable that even a spark will cause total combustion. Check it out.
Yeah, and you see magicians do this when usually have something on their finger, and just very quickly, it's gone.
Show your hand. Nothing's total combustion.
Fire tornado. And what we're going to do here is we have some chemicals and a fuel, and let's see what color we can get. Are you ready? Mr. Ramsey, are you ready, or Mr. Wizard?
The magic is happening as we speak. Do you see the Queen's leg? We'll put it under our skin.
Okay. Now, right now we just have a fire because of three things. We have heat, we have fuel, and oxygen. But if you very carefully will spin this for me, come over here and spin it. Keep spinning it. A little bit more.
Behold! It's the eternal flame of Mordor! Look at that fire tornado! It's magic!
And I would like to say, we're going to grab the water. Now, if you do that, things your way. It's how this is supposed to work. Liquid nitrogen. I cap it. I drop it in the water. He dumps 200 ping pong balls. We can leave out the back.
We get out of the way of the shoe!
Are you ready? When's the last time we did this?
It's been a while!
What happened then? It was taken off the internet? Here we go. Here we go. Let me close it. I hate this part. Here we go. Okay. Hey guys, it's been amazing.